How to use ChatGPT to create a photo. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT, the image creation feature is not available in that. You're gonna need the paid version for it as well. But if you don't have that version, what we can do is just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. For example, here I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to create a professional looking prompt for me that I'm gonna use to ask another AI to generate a picture using that prompt. For example, I can type in the conditions of the picture that I want to generate, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT to generate that professional prompt that we can use for later in the Grok AI. Here I have asked ChatGPT to generate a professional looking prompt of a person working in a hotel near beach on his laptop. And now, as ChatGPT free version can't generate this picture, I'm gonna copy this prompt, head over to another AI like Grok AI or Midjourney AI, and I can paste this prompt and ask Grok AI to generate that picture for me. Now, we have used ChatGPT to generate a professional looking prompt, and here are the results that we can use. These are quite really good results. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good HD picture that you can use for yourself. Now simply go hit the download button and you can download this picture using this technique. You can do this for yourself following these steps. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.